Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Facebook Messenger app on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is jump up the search menu, type in Store, best match, should come back with Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. In the search apps games field up at the top, go ahead and search for Messenger. Best match should come back with Messenger. Should be a free app here. Go ahead and open that up. Should say Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook. This is the successor to Facebook. They just basically renamed the company Meta. So go ahead and select Get. Give it a moment here. Downloads about 100 megabytes in size, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a little bit of time to download. But go ahead and open that up once it's done, and then you can go ahead and you can log in with your Facebook account or log in with a phone or email. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.